Have you ever tried mixing Vaseline with white of egg? Egg white. If you have not tried it before, go on and watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, mix these two together with one other ingredients I'm going to show you. You will never regret it. Like if you desire to get younger at any age you are, this will get you that skin you want. If you are in your 30s, if you are in your 20s, if you are in your 50s, if you are in your 60s, this is a perfect treatment for everyone. So continue watching because it benefits so much from this video. So I'm going to tell you the right time to use this, but before then I will introduce some ingredients to you that you can find in your kitchen. Natural ingredients that are found in your kitchen. Yes, the first thing you have to do is to get a mixing bowl, a very clean bowl. Make sure it's not contaminated, there are no dents. Then you have to separate your egg white from the egg yolk, like breaking it open. That transparent liquid that is freshy, that is the egg white, the white of egg. So you have to use the raw one, remember. Please, the raw egg, okay, not a cooked egg. So the egg yolk is not what we need right now, but it's also very useful. I will tell you when to use it if you want. So that egg white is actually very powerful, like it helping to get rid of wrinkles. It removes wrinkles, it delays wrinkles, it gets rid of eye bags, it tightens your skin to remove sagginess, it helping to lift a saggy skin. So the result will give you that instant younger skin. So when you have separated the egg white from the egg yolk, the next ingredient you have to add into the egg white is flour. Like you can make use of baking flour, oat powder, you can make use of rice powder, you can make use of any flour that will nourish your skin. Not all flour anyway helps to nourish the skin. Rice flour, baking flour, oat flour, they are all very nourishing to the skin, helping to get rid of dead skin cells, making your skin younger, lightening pigmentations. With consistency you will look younger than your age. So you have to get flour. So another one you have to add in here is aloe vera gel. I love aloe vera so well because it does so many things. It's not only to moisturize, it suits irritated skin, helping to get rid of skin irritations. It's one of the ingredients for treating stretch marks. So it helps to tighten the skin, to remove all these wrinkles, laugh lines with consistency. It also helps to treat sunburn and very moisturizing to get rid of dryness. If you have a dry skin, it will help to get rid of it and make your skin looking supple, well hydrated and uniform. So another ingredient is this. This is moringa powder. It's not only for slimming down or for removing toxins. Okay? It will as well help you greatly when you apply it on your skin. It helps to tighten the skin, make you look younger. It contains powerful antioxidants that helps greatly to find signs of aging, removing all these wrinkles, neck wrinkles, hair wrinkles. There's one video I made, I use moringa to make a hand mask. When you apply it on your hands, it will help to get rid of aging signs on your hands. So go on and get moringa and you never regret it. So when you have gotten all these ingredients, before showing you how to make use of your Vaseline, you have to get a mixing bowl. The first ingredient you have to add in here is moringa powder. Add half tablespoon into the bowl. Moringa powder, half tablespoon. Another ingredient you have to add is flour. Remember, I said you can make use of rice powder, you can make use of oat powder. All these powders helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells. Your skin will look very bright and younger. So add 1 tablespoon of your baking flour or any flour. You have to use 1 egg, just that egg white, pour it into the bowl. So it's time to squeeze in your aloe vera gel. You can make use of your natural plant aloe vera gel. The plant one irritates my skin so well. I don't know why. I'm very allergic to the plant one. So this cosmetic type is well processed. Okay, they have already processed it and it's mild for all skin type. It's very suiting for me, like it doesn't irritate my skin. Very perfect. You can get it from supermarkets. Yes, you can also get it online. Use any product. This is fruit of the earth. You can make use of any product. So you have to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into the mixture of other ingredients. So after that, you have to mix together. Mix them together until they are uniform and in a smooth paste. If your treatment is very watery, all you have to do is to add additional baking flour or rice powder. If your treatment is very thick, just increase aloe vera gel just to make it in a thick paste. You don't want it to be watery, you don't want it to be very thick. Be mixing it until they are uniform and in a thick paste. So when you are done mixing them together, you have to wash your skin anywhere you want to apply, anywhere you want to treat, anywhere you want to look younger, like anywhere you want to make younger. So apply it everywhere, all over your skin. You can apply on your body as well. Apply on your neck. Do not forget that, because of neck wrinkles. Apply under your eyes to get rid of eye wrinkles, or to delay eye wrinkles, or to remove tired looking eyes, getting rid of any other signs of aging. The result will amaze you at the end. So go on and leave this treatment for 20 minutes and above. After that, you wash it off. When you wash it off, if you have an oily skin, please do not make use of Vaseline. Yes, I will repeat it again. Do not make use of Vaseline if you have an oily skin. I don't use Vaseline on my skin. So there was a time I applied Vaseline for one day. It was very good. My skin was just good. But I increased the number of days and I started having irritations. That means that it's not good for my skin. If you have a very dry skin, or if you have a normal skin, you can apply Vaseline to lock in moisture, to prevent your skin from drying out, and to also make you ageless. Vaseline is actually very good, very moisturizing. You lock in moisture, preventing dryness of the skin, keeping your skin well hydrated and glowing. Apply Vaseline just a little. A little goes a long way. You don't really need too much. Okay, look at it, just a little paste like this. Just apply it gently, and you're all good. So you can actually apply Vaseline on your hands to keep your hands well moisturized. On your feet, I do that a lot every night. So I use either aloe vera or Vaseline on my foot before I go to bed, and it helps to keep my foot looking like that of a baby, very fresh and younger. So this is a secret I just added to you. So use this treatment and you never regret it. Remember, after applying the mask, washing it off before applying just a light amount of Vaseline. You can store the mask, okay, in the refrigerator to use it next time. Maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you make another. Use this treatment 3 times weekly for best results. You will never regret your skin. Your skin will look very soft, smooth, and younger. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.